There's this quote I remember reading a while back. It went something like, life is a series of present moments, or it was, life is one infinite present moment with various depths. It's about the practice and process of being in communion with life and yourself. It's going to change every time you do it anyway. Let's pretend that your personal practice is toe dipping in the ocean. Every time you dip your toe in the ocean, your inner and outer landscape will be completely different, which means the practice will be different, and so will your personal meaning making. There might be jellyfish, there might be massive waves, there might be a sky full of stars, and it might also be a day where there feels like there is no insight or there is no outcome to the practice. The invitation is to relax into being you and to trust your own resonance. Just gently dialing in, connecting without, and sensing the wave within. So what I'll do for the first few bars is I'll show you very basically the idea around the choreography, and then just let it go. Trust your body, hand over. Tapping into flow, inner and outer landscape.